Welcome back, folks, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into a crucial tool for any serious painter or DIY enthusiast: the Graco 246215 RACX hand-tight tip guard. If you're serious about your painting projects, this might just be the best tip guard on the market. Let's find out why. Now, before we get into the details, let's talk about why having a reliable tip guard like this is so important. Whether you're painting walls, furniture, or even handling industrial projects, a tip guard not only enhances safety by preventing accidental contact with the spray tip, but also ensures your spray tip stays securely in place, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. The Graco 246215 is specifically designed with convenience in mind. It features a hand-tight design, which means no tools are needed for installation or removal. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to focus more on your project and less on setup. This guard is compatible with a wide range of Graco airless paint sprayers, except for the older pole gun models. It's designed to fit snugly and securely, providing peace of mind knowing that your equipment is operating safely. One of the standout features of the Graco 246215 is its versatility. It's suitable for a variety of applications, from fine finishing to high-volume projects, thanks to its compatibility with Graco's RACX spray tips. This means whether you're spraying lacquers, primers, or latex paints, this guard has you covered. Safety is paramount when working with paint sprayers. The RACX hand-tight tip guard not only protects you from accidental contact with the tip, but also ensures that your spraying operation remains consistent and efficient, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. For those new to painting or using a sprayer, here are a few tips. Always ensure your equipment is properly assembled and cleaned after each use to maintain optimal performance. And when it comes to the tip guard, the hand-tight feature makes it easy to swap tips on the go, adapting to different project requirements seamlessly. In conclusion, the Graco 246215 RACX hand-tight tip guard stands out as a top choice for painters looking to enhance safety, efficiency, and overall project quality. If you're serious about your painting projects, this accessory is a must-have. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!